Mommy's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make Bengali Egg Tadka recipe. It is a very healthier and yummy recipe. Usually it is served with chapati or roti, so let's start. For Bengali Egg Tadka recipe we need, here is whole mung beans which I have already soaked overnight and boiled it. Here 1 onion paste, green chili, soft coriander leaves. Here is 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Here half spoon of turmeric. Here is red chili powder 1 spoon, scrambled egg, salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, and here is garam masala, and this is tomato puree. In the hot oil I am going to add turmeric powder, my ginger garlic. Mix it well. Now I am going to add onion paste. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Add tomato puree in it. Add chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, salt, and mix it again. And let it cook for 5 minutes. It's almost 5 minutes. I'm going to add my boiled mung beans. Here is my boiled mung beans. Mix it well. We need to put a little bit of water in it because I need a little bit of juicy tadka. I'm going to add a little bit of water into this. A little more. Now I'm going to add my green chili. Here is green chili. Scrambled egg. Mix it well. Add garam masala into this. Here is my cilantro. Again mix it and let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, my Bengali egg tadka is ready. I am going to transfer this into my bowl. It's looking so yummy. My Bengali egg tadka is ready. I'm just going to garnish with some cucumber and some carrot into this. You can garnish as your choice. My Bengali egg tadka dal is ready. I'm going to serve with chapati or roti. I hope you guys enjoyed my today's recipe. I will see you again with a new recipe. Thank you.